Good afternoon, everybody. We are back, and it's 64 degrees outside right now. It is cloudy. It's not that bad, though. If you go outside, you can still feed the chipmunks, and you can still have a good afternoon. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, baby. We got Kai second in the chat. Dark Bro, Kai, PS5. Next level, Dark Bro, Kai, Tim, Dark Bro, Tim, Kai, John J. We've got 775, Bree Guy, Kai, Kombu, 775, Dark Bro, Next Level, Kombu, and Kai. Thank you guys all for being in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen finishing up 5%. Look at that, would you? AMC looking very good right now. Bouncing back, possibly gonna break through this line right here. If you guys are bullish on AMC, this is the line you need to break above right now. I got it at 1090. It's currently sitting at 1099. Not a bad move today at all. I mean, we basically called this one dead on, going from this break all the way up to here. Question is, does it break and touch the 1350 area? Does it go all the way back up to the $20 gap fill? Does it go all the way back up to the $40 gap fill? Well, we're going to have to see what happens there, of course, but right now, looking pretty good at $11 per share. AMC moving up about 50% over the last couple of days here, from $7 all the way up to $11. Shiba Inu coin at the top right, sitting dead steady, 680 points per coin right now. GameStop, 1510, down 5% on the day today. Bitcoin sitting at 26,709, down 0.5% on the day today. The Nasdaq actually turning back around. The Nasdaq was doing very well this morning and then selling off like crazy this afternoon. Boom, dropping all the way down to 13,491, closing at 13,574. So the Nasdaq falling off pretty hard this afternoon and ending the day about 0.5% lower. You've got Dogecoin sitting at 5.7 cents. Dogecoin's on its way down a little bit. Ethereum down 2.5% to 1530. Shiba Inu coin 680 right now, guys. Bitcoin 26,711. The SPY sitting at 433. QQQ 369. You've got Mullen Auto, 41 cents. Watch out for Mullen Auto, man. You can't even see the red lines on the screen with Mullen Auto here. Man, how far do you have to zoom in? We are, yeah, dude, we're getting ready to test some all-time lows. This is what you're looking at here on Mullen Auto. If it breaks down through this major level of support, boom, 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 you're going to be touching on some all-time lows. So please watch out if you guys are in Mullen Auto. All it ever wants to do is calm down. You've got Sundial sitting at $1.54. Same deal for Sundial. Sundial is on a massive decline over the last couple of weeks, coming down from $2.36 to $1.54. Sundial not looking too hot. Netflix sitting at 361. Netflix is the same on a daily chart, man, going from 485 down to 360. Good news is it's around some support right here. Bad news is if it falls through, you're touching $300 a share. Highcroft Mining 27.8 cents. More negativity there. MPW $5.28. Some negativity there. Tesla 258, dropping down pretty heavy this afternoon. 258 maybe causing the decline in the overall Nasdaq and QQQ. Joby sitting at 617. Joby bouncing a little bit today, and TMC 90 cents flat. Watch out for TMC losing 2.5% on the day. We're gonna watch Bitcoin into the after hours trading here, or afternoon trading. What do we got going on? I'm saying forget work too tomorrow. I like it, Dark Bro. Jeffrey says, I made it on time today. Very good, Jeffrey. Glad to have you in here, man. Robbie, what's going on, Robbie? Robbie's present as well. Geoped made it. Very good. Next level from Kombu. Boom. Kai worked for a defense manufacturer with all that's going on. I'm doing 68 hours a week. Lost 4 hours of overtime today. That's all. My gosh, dude. Dude, 68 hours a week, Tim. You gotta, my gosh, dude. You gotta pace that one out. That's a lot of work, dude. Average about 60 hours a week, plus or minus. So oh my gosh, dude. You guys work a lot. 60, 70 hours a week. Kai, Tim, that is crazy, man. Is anybody else getting messages from KuCoin that they've received the trading fee reimbursement for USDT? I've not seen it. If I did get that message, I have not seen it yet. Is it coming across as a notification or is it coming across as an email? But where Farmy? I'm pretty sure Farmy was touching some all-time lows. I thought I saw a notification for Farmy like 2 days ago. All right, maybe I just saw a notification for Farmy if it was up on this day or down on this day right here. Farmy losing 1.91%, sitting right here at another major level of support. I don't know when we put this line on, but touching it. And of course, you guys know what happens. What if this line right here, what happened when it fell through? This little line of support. Boom, tank down. What happened when it fell down through this level of support right here? Boom, tank down. What happens when it fell through this level of support right here? Boom, tank down. What happened when Farmy fell through this level of support right here? Boom, tank down. What happened when Farmy fell through this level of support? Boom, tank down. What happened when Farmy fell through this level? Boom, tank down. What happened when Farmy fell through this level? You guys get it. Farmy is plagued the same as Mullen Auto is. Farmy does nothing but go down, and then they reverse split like they did right here, 1 for 8, and then they issue more shares to raise capital. They do not make any money. They simply screw retail investors over who buy in thinking the stock is cheap, and then they rip you by going out there and diluting the shares even further so that they can make all of their money that way. It's a scheme. It's a scam. Do not fall victim to it. This is becoming my favorite channel, bro. Help me with questions and everything. And thank you, bro. Robbie, man, absolutely appreciate that. I really do. You know, obviously, you got a lot of channels that are out there. There's so many possibilities that you guys could be tuning into on YouTube, on TV, literally TikTok, Twitter. I mean, you guys got endless opportunities. So when somebody says this channel is their favorite, that really does mean something to me, man, and I appreciate it. And I do want to say, it's not just me. It's everybody else in here that contributes to asking excellent questions, to creating an environment where people feel comfortable asking questions and hanging out and having a good time. Like, dead serious. You guys are top-notch, and I love it, man. Dark Bro says text message. I did not get one of those, Dark Bro. I mean, I have gotten text messages before from them when, like, if you had a position that was opened or if you made a trade, they were confirming the trade and stuff like that. I didn't get a text from Kai. I'm a master machinist, so when I drop some overtime, management actually is happy. Yeah, I would imagine, Tim. I would imagine. Your overtime price is probably pretty heavy. Working the oil field keeps me busy, getting ready for work right now. Yeah, dude, you know what? Look, if you guys work that many hours, if you're not burning out, I say do it. What are you going to accomplish by sitting around and watching TV? Absolutely nothing. What are you going to accomplish by sitting around and just watching YouTube? Absolutely nothing. Be active. You guys are doing the right thing, man. So today I deposited my weekly $75 on my brokerage and decided to do some puts on the QQQ with that deposit. So at $12.59, I bought 2 contracts for $3.71 and 31 cents. Sold a 210 for $3.25 each. Oh dear goodness. And I imagine that that's a fact, guys. I imagine that's a fact. So you come look at the QQQ today. This is exactly what we just talked about. The QQQ here. What time did he say he got in? 12:59. This dude probably couldn't have got in at a better point. 12:50. Oh, my God. Dude, Bronson, I don't know if you're lying to me or not, man, but look at 12:59 right here. I'm just going to mark this for you guys real quick. No, not a horizontal. I want a vertical. I want a vertical line. It's 12:59 right here. All right? This dude literally bought a put on the second to last green line that existed on the day. And then look what happens here. Now, I will say this. I moved that over a little bit. I will say this. The dude did get an amazing break in terms of falling back down. Boom, through this support line. So, very nicely done there. And what time did you get out? What's he say here? Sold it 210. 210 he sold. Let's get another another vertical line right here. Where are we at with 210? No. Bronson, I don't know, man. I don't know. Dude, you could be fake newsing me right now. You could be fake newsing me because that is the dead perfect trade. This is the dead perfect trade, Bronson. If you're getting in right on the last green tick and right at the absolute bottom right here, he missed out on 2 red candles. He missed out on 2 red candles. He captured the entire daily gain in a perfect manner. Ladies and gentlemen, Bronson does have some inside information going on with this trade right here, captured, and I believe that is going to be the what you're going to see on the 371 puts. So you got the puts right there, the 371s looking absolutely fabulous here. 371s on the minute. Yeah, dude, look at this. Getting in at 12.59 down here at, I don't know what the price is here. The close of it is 30 cents. So 31 cents. Makes sense. Says you got in at 31 cents right there. And then boom, baby, ripping up. The 2 red candles that he missed took him up to 350 from that 320. Oh my gosh. Bronson, if you are not fake news in me, you made the perfect trade today. Print that out, dude. Print that out and hang it on your wall right now, because that is phenomenal. Seriously, that's a perfect trade. Now, I know you had to have had some luck in there, because unless you were just taking your 10x gain or whatever, I highly doubt that you would have had an indicator telling you to get out at that point. The entry might have just been timing, but dude, phenomenal. I gotta scroll down to the bottom. Bronson, you in the supporters or the community? Hold on. No. Hold on. I gotta make sure. No, block that. Okay. Hold on. Gotta go back. Alright, I accidentally clicked the voice chat. Community chat. Bronson, where'd you post it? Oh no, he DM'd it. That's what he did. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, you don't have to post none of that stuff. Hey, he's not fake news in me, guys. He's not fake news in me. Bronson, man, that is absolutely insane right there. That's insane. Congratulations to you, man. Absolutely incredible trade. And yeah, man, look, you got to give credit where credit is due. It doesn't get any better than that. No clicky the likey, linky, pinky. Yes, click something, guys. I used to do heavy haul moving drill rigs. They moved the rigs from Ohio to Texas. My gosh. No break-ins. Fantasy football this week, Clay. Yeah, I don't want any breaks going on. I got to play players who are going to play. That's what I got to do. Saw Chris come in the chat. Let's get this weekend started. Hello, everyone. What's going on, Chris? Glad to have you in here, man. P.S. Clay, you're my next state over neighbor. But this week, we are frenemies. You're going down, Clayton. Bronson, if I could just get some guys to play, it is going to be a fact that you are going down, my friend. And I'm a guaranteed win if my boys play. They didn't play last week, and they're going to be playing this week. I know it. I bought on lunch, sold on break. Dang it, man. You guys killed it. Hey, Clay, what's up? It's been 5 months since I've been here, but a lot going on in the summer. Richard, man. I'm glad you're back. I'm glad you're hanging out with us again. Been 5 months. Welcome back home, dude. Nice move. Direct message. I see it. Hey, what's your opinion? Caroline Ellison saying that SBF was in bed with Gary Gensler. Well, look, dude. I was reading a couple articles and headlines this morning. I didn't read through everything I saw. Let me ask you a question to kind of answer your question there. Okay. Do you think that Sam Bankman-Fried is some sort of like an alpha sigma manipulator, or do you think that Sam Bankman-Fried is more easily manipulated? Now, I don't know the answer because I don't know Sam Bankman-Fried, but Caroline seems to be putting 100% of the blame on Sam. Now, when Sam was a multi-billionaire, when Sam had access to $10 million in customer funds, was Caroline really upset? Did Caroline say, no, Sam, that's not right. Don't buy me that car. No, Sam, that's not right. Let's not go on vacation. No, Sam, it's not our money. Let's make sure the customers are okay. She did not say any of that. So I think that what you've got going on right now is somebody trying to cover themselves. 100% of the blame is going on this man right here. And he's the fall boy. That's all he is. He's the fall boy. I think that the dude is a very smart nerd. But I don't think that the guy is some sort of a master manipulator. I think he got something much, much larger going on. And yeah, he absolutely could have been in bed with Gary Gensler. How do you think he got introduced to that bed? Caroline's uncle or something? I think it's her uncle. It might be her dad. I forget who it is. Caroline's family member works directly with Gary Gensler at the SEC. So yeah, Sam may have been in bed with Gary Gensler, but he was also in bed with Caroline. Don't forget that. Clay bro, comment up, love bro. I gotcha. Comment up, love you bro. Absolutely love you too, man. Bronson buying the next round. Bronson is buying the next round too. 10x is a sick gain. Let's go see what PS5 said down here. Said up here. I mean PS5. PS5. I don't. There's no comment up above, man. PS5, the only comment I see is that Bro Diamond, the ape, the little teal guy, the banana, and the no ignore. That's the only one I see, dude. You're going to have to type it again, and I'm very sorry for that, but I just scrolled all the way back over to the top of the screen and see nothing. How many Shib are currently available? The famous ones. Theoretically, all of them are available. Let's see what you might be able to answer your question with something similar to this here. All right, coming out to Coinbase or to crypto coin market cap. My gosh, get it right. So, how many Shiba Inu coin are actually available? Now, it's a very interesting question, and you really can't answer it just by looking at this data right here. We know how many Shib is not available. And that's 410 trillion, 359 billion, 423 million, 18,464. Those can never be touched again. Those are sitting in a dead wallet. Now, what do we know? We know that 42 trillion are sitting on Binance's 28 wallet. 33 trillion sitting on Binance's 8 wallet. 20 trillion sitting on Robinhood right now. Now, the interesting part about the way these exchanges work is they are held in Binance's wallet. They're held in Robinhood's wallet. But then Robinhood allows you to trade them. Binance allows you to trade them. So we theoretically don't know how much Shib is left in Binance's wallets that's unaccounted for. We don't know the same deal for Robinhood. We don't know the same deal for any of these centralized exchanges here. If you come in and if we could find like a decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap and so on, we could go down and we could say, okay, well, you still have a trillion Shib in the Shiba Swap liquidity pool there. Those would be available. But dude, you can go in, you can go to KuCoin right now, and you can buy Shiba Inu coin. They're not going to deny you the ability to buy Shiba Inu coin, even if people already own 1.3 trillion Shib on KuCoin here. They are still going to allow you to buy those Shiba Inu coin, and then they may go out and try to purchase more. So that's one way to do it, but you never really know what those numbers look like. That's just how many's accumulated on those exchanges. Coming down. I think that the money did most of the talking. Yeah, I would agree with you on that one, Jeffrey. SBF is a nerd tool that liked attention. Tim, yes, I think you're right. Sam Bankman-Fried gave me that money, and no crypto exchange would have lost money of poor investments. Yeah, you're right, dude. Especially if you would have 10x'd it, Bronson. Oh my gosh, dude. What a phenomenal trade. I think Terra Luna can hit $1 one day. Such a difficult question to answer. So let me say yes. I do think the Terra Luna or Terra Luna Classic. I think you're probably talking about Terra Luna Classic. I think that the answer is yes. Terra Luna Classic can hit $1 someday. But, or if, allow me some sort of a stipulation on there. It's not going to do it unless you see massive burns. Burns are going to be very important for that dollar mark. Why? We're not hitting a $5-6 trillion valuation on Terra Luna Classic. It's not going to get there. So burns are important for the dollar mark. What else is going to be important for the dollar mark? A development team that actually develops. Right now, these guys are working for a paycheck. They actually don't care if they get worked on or not. They're only showing up. And I debate whether or not they're even showing up. But they are theoretically showing up to receive that paycheck. Like we've seen with Hexagon, like we've essentially seen with the USTC repeg team, as soon as you stop the payments, they don't show up for work anymore. So they're not building for growth. They're building for the paycheck. I think that's another issue. Final issue, Terra Luna Classic, hitting $1 there. You're going to need a reason. And you're going to need more money flowing into the crypto space. So we don't have it during a bear market. We're not going to get it to $1 during a bear market. So there's a lot of things that need to come into play for Terra Luna Classic to hit that $1 mark. Yes, if those things happen. Sam Bacon of Freedom, Bill Gary Genzo, that would explain why Gary's eyes are bulging out. Yes, it would, Kai. Caroline's kind of too, man. It's kind of weird. The famous ones. You're going to have all my Shib. Oh, wait. I don't have any. I'll pick some Shib up when it hits 500. Tim going to be buying in at that all-time low. Where Farmy, though? Moji. Farmy sitting at about $1.50. We just looked at Farmy a minute ago. Farmy is sitting right here at $1.50 right now. At this major level of support here. Boom, boom, boom. All-time low. As soon as it breaks down, it's only wicked down to $1.42 before. As soon as it breaks down through this level, you might be on your way back down to 50 cents. Farmy is sitting at an $8.9 million market cap. Obscenely low market cap. Obscenely horrible stock. 500 USD on XRP or Matic. Ooh. Claudio, excellent question. Excellent question. If I had to put it on one, I'd put it on XRP. If you've got to decide, go into both, man. Go into both. There's no issue with 300 on one, 200 on the other. 400 on one, 100 on the other. 250 and 250. There's no shame in splitting it up and diversifying in between both of those. Those are both very good projects. And if you truly can't decide, I say go with both just to diversify your risk and kind of level out your potential rewards as well. Voyager done sailed with your money, Pudgy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, what do we get back from Voyager? 35% if you were lucky. Oh, dude. Voyager, FTX. These guys are all scamming scum, dude. I can't believe that people think this type of activity is acceptable. I really can't. I get it that they're tempted by millions of dollars. I get it that people want to come out on what they call on top. But, dude, these people are nothing but dirty little thieves. And I cannot stand them, man. Oh, Farmy bad. Farmy very, very bad. Yes, Farmy is bad. Do not get into Farmy. Hello, everybody. Hello. What's going on? Eddie, how you doing, man? XRP, Claudio, XDC, and XRP, not financial advice. Can someone shoot me a gift? Eddie, yeah, they probably could. Look at that right there. Eddie, you didn't have your gifts enabled. What are you doing? Moji called you up on it, and it went to the famous ones. Not financial advice. I'm stacking XRP because they made the SEC. Yes, they did, Tim. They've beat the SEC twice now. They've beat the SEC twice. Future payments pending from Voyager. Voyager, dude. You guys are going to make me sick with all this Voyager talk. Moji! Thank you very much for the green name. Eddie, too slow, man. You tried to get it. No, dead serious, Eddie. If you don't have gift receiving enabled, click on that thing that Moji sent over. Enable your gift receiving. And then if somebody else does send another green name, you might be able to pick that up. But Moji, dude, thank you very much for the green name. Absolutely appreciate all the support, guys. And everybody in this chat's green, except for Eddie and Roulette Wheel and Claudio. But I don't know if Claudio can get it in Brazil. XDC in our 3/4 has some great news dropping today. Is it going to go up? 775 guy. If the news is not dropped yet, is it going to make the price go up? That's what I want to know. Ouch. Asks, then fails. Yeah, and Moji even sent it too. Look, ask and you shall receive. Eddie tried to send you a green name, dude, but you didn't even get it in there. Hole and brush. Hopefully that's not code and you're actually holding brush there, Kombu. And this, I should like screenshot this right here and print it out and post it as like my Discord profile picture because Bronson is an absolute legend with this trade. My goodness, dude. My goodness. That to me this is beautiful. This truly is. Like, to me, this is amazing right here. If this was my trade, I would definitely print this out and hang that bad boy up. That is a thing of beauty right there. My gosh, dude. But it's not my trade. We're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left and see if anything happens. Because the QQQ, it's ticking, but it's not going to be moving much after hours there. Can you explain what is dollar cost averaging in a practical way? Dollar cost average. Yes. So, Claudio, instead of going in and buying, let's say you have $1,000, okay? Instead of going in and buying $1,000 worth of XRP at the current price of, let's pull it up here. All right, well, I don't know where it's at. Instead of going in and buying $1,000 worth of XRP at 48 cents, dollar cost averaging means you are going to make a lot of smaller buys and therefore average your price out. So let's say you go in and you buy $100 at 48 cents. And then you buy another $100 if it drops down to 46 cents. Now your average price, your dollar cost averaged price is 47 cents. $100 at 48, $100 at 46, your average is 47. Let's say you go in and over the next couple of weeks you buy another $200 at 45 cents. That's going to bring your average down to 46 cents. So what you're doing is if it continues to fall, you're averaging your price down because you are buying periodically. If the price goes up, you can still continue to dollar cost average. Instead of buying $1,000 at 48 cents, maybe you bought $100 at 48 cents, another $100 at 47 cents. It shoots up to 50 cents, another $100 at 50 cents. It drops back down to 49. Another $100 at 49. What you're essentially doing is flattening that curve out a little bit so that you don't have to be 100% exposed to the current price. You're averaging your price over a certain period of time. It works out very well if the price is going down. And of course you lose out a little bit if the price moves up and you're not as heavily invested as you could have been. But it's one more way just to diversify your risk. Is to continue adding in instead of going in and buying everything right off the bat. Off to work. Ta-ta to you, Kai. Enjoy your evening, Kai. Thank you very much for being in here. And guys, if you are leaving, you got to get to work, whatever you got to do, don't forget to click the like button on the way out. Hey, bro. Cashapp trade. What happened eventually on your Twitter notifications? Cashapp trade. What happened eventually? Hold on. I gotta see where Cashapp is at. I don't even know where Cashapp is at right now. 4.3 cents. Not looking bad at all there. Trying to bounce back off these lows that we were talking about yesterday. Sitting at 4.38 cents right now. Almost 4.4 cents. Not a bad deal for Cashapp there. As far as Twitter notifications, though, let's see. Let's PS5, 48 got... Okay. This is beautiful. Look at this montage. I love it, dude. Hey, bro. Here we go. From the bro live with the gains from the call of clay. We stayed strong. Good in the chart. The entry, the resistance. My bro, my family during this bearish time. We do it together. Live chat. Always on top. Love you, bros. PS5. Look at this stinking gain, man. Look at this stinking gain. Entry of 041, exit of 044. Beautiful trade for a 250% Caspa trade right there. Very, very nicely done. PS5, man. Congratulations on that one. I think that is sweet, man. And thank you for this a beautiful, what is this, a montage? This beautiful collage here of all of these pictures. I think that's absolutely awesome. So thank you very much for posting that. And congratulations on that trade as well, dude. That is a huge win. 250% gain is beautiful, man. Now we know that it doesn't always work out that way, but today seems to be a pretty good day. You got Bronson hitting a 10x. You got PS5 hitting a 250%er. Dude, today's looking like a very nice day. That's coin big time. Launched while while we were all sleeping and did good. Big time coin, huh? I didn't see big time coin. Let's see if we can pull it up. No, Mo, I didn't think that's the type of trades I'd do for the QQQ. Maybe, but he have to. I don't even know. Peed himself a little. Who? Me? Somebody else? I don't even know. Mo, I almost peed a bit seeing it. Better than my Rivian puts. Yeah, well, you did pretty good on Rivian as well. Hui, it's 4:30. Tim, thank you very much for reminding me it's 4:30. You guys know what that means. It's time to watch an ad. Skip the second one. Skip the second ad. If you guys just got one, skip the second. If Clay beats me this week, I might pee from anger, Mo. Oh, I'm going to beat you. There's no doubt in my mind that I'm going to beat you, Bronson. I think I will practice this dollar cost average. Going to buy $50 every Monday. Claudio, perfect, man. Perfect. I think it's a great idea. It's one way to diversify your risk, okay? You're diversifying your price exposure. Like I say, man, if this was the absolute bottom, you'd be better off buying everything right now and only going higher from here. If it's not the bottom, dollar cost averaging is going to benefit you. Here for the afternoon time for an ad, Clay. Let's go me. Yes, I just clicked the ad button. So if you missed it by a second, you missed it by a second. Appreciate you coming in. Let's go me to let me know. But yeah, I just clicked it a second ago. Nice move, PS5. Huge move, man. PS5. It is awesome, dude. 250% gain is beautiful. Depends, Bronson. Pick a pair up. Pick a pair of pickled peppers too, man. Why'd you hit my thumb? 775 Bree guy. I didn't hit your thumb. Did I hit your thumb? Man, my bad. Sorry, but Claybro looks kind of tough with the facial wounds. What do you mean it looks kind of tough, dude? Shouldn't that toughness kind of just shine through? Don't it look like a little bit of a villain, though? Like a Marvel villain or something? Just slice down the face like that? Maybe I should punch myself in the face more often, Tim. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying, dude? Just give yourself a nice punch to the face every couple weekends and keep them guessing. I think that's what Tim's really saying. I should take up some UFC or something like that. Hi, it's Dumbo. Nobody knows. Bronson, next level. Much love, brothers. We're all in for the success. Yes, we are. Why do I get Grant Cardone ads? I don't know, man, but Grant Cardone has said such stupid things over the last couple of months. I have no idea how anybody takes that guy seriously. I get it. He's got a lot of money. And I get it, he tries to go for the shock factor, but dude, you know, I don't care about your guys' like views, good or bad, on people like the Top G, Andrew Tate and stuff, but at least that dude tries to be funny. Grant Cardone, man, Grant Cardone is not funny, right? It's just not a good look. So, I don't really like Grant Cardone, man. I don't know why you keep getting his ads, Tim. Probably to tick you off or something. I don't know. You might be his target audience for some reason. Hey bro, chicks dig guys with scars. So, do they dig guys that punch themselves in the face on a regular basis? If that's the case, let's get started. Does anyone own Shib logo, or is it all public domain? The famous ones. It is public domain. Nobody owns the Shiba Inu coin logo. It's public domain, dude. You can use it for whatever you want to use it. If you want to make these little coins here, if you want to make little coins like this, thank you very much, Pika, for sending this to me a long time ago. You can make something like this with it. If you want to put it on a shirt, you can put it on a shirt, man. If you want to use it in another coin, you can use it in another coin. Nobody owns the Shiba Inu coin logo. It is decentralized, and it's up for grabs, man. Claybro, can you pull out the daily chart of Bitcoin and have a small technical analysis? Cause many analysis don't know where the heck it's going. Look, man, I don't know where it's going either, especially with everything that's going on overseas. But if I had to guess, based on this shorter term chart, if you do not get held up by this tiny little level of no man's land support, I'd say we're coming back down to 26 flat or possibly testing 25 there. When you've got 4 or 5 days in a row that are completely purple like this, it's currently bearish. Okay? And always think that the trend is essentially going to continue until it changes. Then follow that trend. Okay? So right now, the current weekly trend here is bearish. Right? You've got 5 days in a row of bearish activity. Let's make the assumption that the trend is going to continue unless it reverses. Now, it could reverse at this exact point we're at. There is support where it's touching right now. That's a fact. And it always, it's a lot more difficult when you're right at the turning point. You know, if we were on our way down right now to 22 and there was literally no support until we get to 22, I would be much more confident saying that it's going to continue lower. Same deal. I am confident that it can continue lower to 25 flat, but there is some support in this area. And with Bitcoin not being as volatile as it can be, kind of channeling in a $2,000 range, I would say that this could lead to a little bit of a bounce. But I wouldn't go long on it until you do get a bounce. And if you do get a bounce, hey man, try to ride it back up to 27.3. You know, if it falls down through this level, watch out for that 26 flat down in here, and then watch out for 25 flat as well. So nobody ever knows what the next candle is going to be. You can only follow the trend, and then if you were wrong, of course you can get out. If you were right, play it. Dude, talking about trends, man, look, Bronson, it just killed the trend today, and you know he did, man. Oh, looking at this minute chart here, Bronson's trend absolutely destroyed. Where is... Golly bum. He took the trend. I don't know if he was looking at a moving average crossover, because the 13 fell below the 48 today, right? And then 3 minutes later, boom, fell through this major level of support. And that trend held off until the stupid 13 crossed back above the 48. Now, Bronson did good because he literally got out two candles shy of the perfect trade today. So he actually did better than he would have if he waited until it reversed. But absolutely killed that trade, man. My goodness. Follow the trend right now. It was, look, if you would have gotten in here, it was trending lower. You're following that trend, and it continued. It continued all day. So you still would have done very well if you would have gotten in at this point and continued to ride it down. Then it found support, and it did begin to bounce back up from that point. So, you know, if you were following trends, you probably would have been a little bit better to get out, or you would probably would have made the decision to get out on this green candle or this green candle here, and you would have been on at 368 instead of 367. Okay. You would have entered, instead of entering here at 272, you probably would have entered here at 371. So you would have given up $1 on the upside, and you would have given up $1 to the downside, and you would have been a little bit more consolidated, but still beautiful nonetheless. So just go with the trend instead of trying to buck the trend, and unless you get that turnaround and you want to try to play to the other side. Not financial advice, but I'm investing in Northrop Grumman. Yeah, and you absolutely can, Tim. I was reading an article. It might have been a tweet. I don't know if it was an article, or if I was reading it on Twitter now. Dude, you know, I get it if politicians are benefiting from war stocks, Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman and all of these other. So there can be a conflict of interest there, and I don't necessarily agree with Congress being able to do anything with individual stocks because they literally make the laws that benefit the companies. But as a retail investor, you've got to take advantage of market cycles. Now, it wouldn't make any sense for you to say, well, I'm just going to be a good boy, I'm just going to be a good girl, and I'm going to go out there and I'm going to buy stocks knowing that they're going to go down in price because that's what I support. Makes no sense, man. Makes no sense. Invest for what we are currently going through. And we're currently, the world, not just the US, the world is staring face to face with a war. And if that's the situation that we're in, Tim, man, I say go for it. I didn't either till today. Oh, set me something next level. I'm going to miss something. Did you have big time coin? Dang it. No, bro. Haven't even heard of it. What's big time coin doing, man? I want to know if next level would have made some money today. Big time coin, baby. Ooh. 171% daily increase. Alright, so it's only been out a couple days, right? Came out yesterday. Holy smokes. Wow, dude, came out yesterday. $226 million in volume in a single day. Listed on Coinbase? Oh, Coinbase Exchange. That's not Coinbase. Dang, man, this getting some big listings right off the bat. $86 million being done on OKX. MEXC hitting $42 million in volume. BitGet, $20 million. KuCoin's hitting $1.7 million. Big time coin making some big time gains, dude. Tripling in price. Going from 11 cents all the way up to 32, 33 cents. Yeah, next level. That's a hard miss on that one, man. Bronson rolls like it's not Forte money, at least for Raptor money. Yes. Bronson does roll with some sick gains, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, Bronson, man, next time you trade in the QQQ, let's play it together. Let's play it together, man. Sure could, Claudio. All could go to zero also. Can Ethereum drop to $500? Yes. Yep, Claudio. Ethereum can drop to $500. Ethereum actually dropped to $800 not too long ago. I think it might have been either towards the end of 2022 or slightly before. I'll just show you on. It might be better to show you on. Well, let's see if we can pull it up on CoinMarketCap. If not, I know it's on Webull. All right, it wasn't in the last year, so we got to go all time here. No, I know it was below 1,000 here. CoinMarketCap always doesn't show the exact prices, and I don't know why. But if you got Ethereum, not too long ago, man. Ethereum crashed down. This was 2022. So this might have been during the whole FTX thing. Ethereum touched $880. And this would have been around the time that Bitcoin was falling down to 17,000 right here. So if that's the case, man, it's a very strong level of support at about $900, $1,000 a coin. If it falls down through that, dude, is this for real? Let's see. If it falls down through 880, is our next level of support $98? Hold on. Okay. We've got a little... Wow, this is crazy, man. If it falls through 880, you're going to have a little bit of support. Well, I mean, I'm not even really going to touch this one here at 700. You've got a little support in the $600 range right here. And below that, dude, you're talking 400. And then all the way down to 200. There's a decent amount at 200. But wow. $98. $90 a coin for Ethereum. And look at this bear market, guys. Look at this look at the bear market volume on Ethereum. It looks like Shiba Inu coin. This is when nobody was interested in buying crypto. Look. Ethereum, look at the daily range here. The low, 205.77 to the high, 209.16. $2 range on Ethereum. That is nuts, man. 244.11 to 245.50, $1.50 range on Ethereum. Nobody wants these coins during a bear market, man. Nobody wants them. we're still doing pretty well in terms of volume and activity on everything, even though the last couple of days have been pretty bearish for the overall crypto market. Shiba Inu coin, though, Shiba Inu coin is feeling the bear market right now. You guys can see the chart up there. It's definitely feeling it. Clay Bro, would you sell your Shib for XRP, or are there any knowing the gains in the bull market with volume, etc.? Yes. Yes. So it's not just about the gains. It's about the potential losses as well. So I'm holding a decent amount of Shiba Inu coin. And my average on Shib is, I believe, 980. I don't look at it every day, but I believe my average is 980. And it's looking pretty low right now. I am heavily considering, not 24 hours a day, but it does cross my mind every morning when I begin to look at the chart of Shib. I don't want to ride it all the way down to 500 points per coin or 550 points per coin, but I'm waiting to see if it bounces back up above 700. Because every time Shib has fallen down below 700, it is very quickly rose back above 700. It's not quickly rising above 700 this time. I believe that the downside on Shiba Inu coin falling below those technical levels is it's too heavy for me. Right? It's too heavy for me to want to expose myself to a breakdown through support. So yes, I would move from Shib over to XRP. I wouldn't have a problem moving from Shib over to Crow or Kronos, whatever you guys call it, crypto.com coin. I wouldn't have a problem shaving my Shib. Not all of it. I'll leave some of it in the portfolio, but I wouldn't have a problem doing that whatsoever. Authorizing my overtime. Crap is going down. That's nuts, dude. Well, hey, you know what? Look, that's not insider information or anything. If Tim's overtime is going up because these manufacturers are paying extra for the machinists to begin machining, yeah, guys, crap could be going down, right? And use that as an indicator that you may see manufacturing boosted here in the United States in order to support things overseas. And anytime manufacturing is boosted like that, man, the prices of those companies go up. Why? They're receiving a lot of money for the goods that they're manufacturing. Let's play it together. Kind of sounds like WhatsApp Clay. It does, but it's actually WhatsApp Bronson. It's not WhatsApp Clay, bro. It's WhatsApp Bronson, man. Clay, I only do not financial advice. Thanks, PS5. You too, dude. Bronson, if you think for 1 second it's about me believing you're going to hit another perfect trade, another 10x perfect trade, you're wrong, man. It's about the camaraderie. Why? Because I want to say that I rode it with Bronson, and I did not stop at the Kia Forte gains, but him and I were both walking around in like a Ford GT, man. Sitting there in a Ford GT. Yeah. Got ourselves a super snake. Rolling around in a super... That's what it's about, man. Becoming bros, Bronson. Becoming bros. Dude, I would never. You guys can make any suggestion you guys want to make. And I'm not taking financial advice from any of you. And I don't expect you guys to take financial advice from me. But it would be cool if we both won together. And if it's cool, it's still cool if we both lose together. The Roth and long-term retirement portfolio combined to close down 0.5% today. Today's top three, APLY, BP. And today's champion of the portfolio, number one, with a 7% gain, WBA. 20 and a 75. What's 20 and a 75? What does that even mean? You're going 20 and a 75? Somebody's going 20 miles an hour on the expressway? So basically when Bitcoin drops, all drops. If it rises, all rises. Claudio, yes. Bitcoin is like the sun, man. Bitcoin is like the sun. So unless you believe the earth is flat, then the gravitational force of Bitcoin is like the gravitational force of the sun. Think about it that way. Everything follows it. I'm out. Have a great evening. Moji, enjoy your evening as well, man. When Clay says a decent, I mean trillion. I imagine trillions. Claudio, you can imagine whatever you want. It might be thousands. All right, I never want to influence anybody to believe that they've got too little, that they've got too much, You guys can use your imaginations any way you find fit, but never make a decision based on the way you feel about my holdings. That's why I don't talk numbers, man. You might think trillions, and when you realize it's thousands, you're going to be upset. You're going to be like, oh, this dude's a bum, you know? If you're thinking thousands, and it turns out to be trillions, you're going to be like, oh, crap, dude, now I can jump in way heavier. Or, oh, darn, man, Clay's got too much money. I can't even associate with this anymore. I don't want to influence you guys in any way to do anything that you wouldn't otherwise do. Mo, if I be Clay, get your wrench. Oh, man. Moji, you want to send me some players for this weekend? Or what are we doing there? Shib is squealing from the feeling of every single internet breaker promise the developers have made. Yeah, dude, Shiba Inu coin is feeling the pain. I know that's a fact. I'm wondering if it's a good time to buy Shib, or if we're going to fall off a cliff. What's the chart looking like, bros? Tony D, man, wondering the same thing. The chart is potentially negative, but what are we noticing? A bottom on this wick, a bottom on this wick, a bottom on this wick, possibly turning green here. All right? Now, the overall Bitcoin chart is still pretty bearish. It's nothing but purples. Shiba Inu coin may have found a little bit of a bottom here, and it might be trying to get back up above that 700 point per coin mark. I absolutely hope that it does. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's bullish if it does, but anytime Shib has fallen through this red line up top, it has very quickly bounced back. Only a brief couple month period did it travel. There's a couple weeks here and a couple weeks here. Did it trade sideways below this 700 point per coin range? So it is at a pretty cheap level. After Shib started making a name for itself, it's trading at a very cheap level right now. If you want to buy, buy. The price action though is just dead, man. We need to see some activity in Shib. Enough financial advice. Black Sky Technology, get it. I saw that. Had a lost dog hanging out with me at work. Called the tag number and got a new client. Combo! Very nice, dude. That's actually pretty sweet. What did I miss? Giovanni. Everything, man. Everything. Quadrillions. Yes. I have quadrillions of Shiba Inu coin. Multiple quadrillions of Shiba Inu coin. It's a fact. I have. Oh my gosh, dude. I watched the video. I don't even know who this guy is. I watched this short. This dude was saying, yeah, man, I didn't go to college because I decided to pursue the rap game or something. And this dude said that he got a scholarship to go to college. And his scholarship was for $5 million. And the guy who's doing the podcast is like, you sure it was for $5 million, man? He goes, yeah. I don't know where they got those numbers from, but yeah, it was $5 million. This dude says he had a $5 million scholarship to go to college, and he turned it down to pursue the rap game. So that reminds me of Dark Bro saying that I have quadrillions. So if you guys ever hear me tell you I have like 6 quadrillion Shiba Inu coin, please know that I am lying to you, or I have no idea what I am talking about. Oh boy. Dark Bro, I got 6 quadrillion Shiba Inu coin. The Earth is flat, so they say from space it looks round, but I've never Shib in outer space. Have you? No, and I actually don't know if I ever would go to outer space. I'm sure people said the same thing about flying in an airplane, and I don't mind flying in an airplane, but I don't think that they're going to have space travel technology and space travel developed as an industry where I would feel safe with it in my lifetime. So I don't plan on going to outer space, dude. I don't plan on going to test it. I'll just look at a lot of the evidence. I'll accept the fact that the Earth is round, and I'll move on with my life. I'm not gonna be testing it, and I don't expect anybody else to really test it either. Hey, bro! Thanks for all the non-financial advice, family, brothers. We all represent here. Facts on that. PS5. Facts on that. It's not round or flat. It's oval. Now we're getting technical. Look at this dude, man. He hits a killer perfect 10. Perfect 10. And now the dude's in here getting technical with us. All right, Bronson. We see you, man. We see you. You got it going. We've got sextillions. Dang it. Dark Bro always. Well, I was going to say quintillion, but you still would have beat me on that one. Johnstown, nature hates right angles. That it does, I think. 8-ball question. Is Claybro scam Toshi? 8 Ball. We want to know if I, aka Claybro, am Scam Toshi. I don't know if this is good or bad, man. Most likely. Can you see it? The answer is most likely. Oh, dang it. I've been revealed. I've been revealed. And I thought I was gonna be able to keep this a hidden identity, but darn you, stupid 8 Ball. I was at Space during 2022, a great restaurant. There was a table called Earth, and it was flat. Much better than Dorsey. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what? Claudio, that actually sounds pretty good. I'd go to space with Claudio. Let's put it that way. Aliens told me the Earth is oval with a lump on it. You guys are wild, man. I would definitely go into space. You probably would, Dark Bro. Adam Aaron just sent me a text with a photo attached. Should I open it? Oh gosh. Yeah. Definitely. I would open it, man. I'd open it. Don't do it, Johnsontown. It's a DP. What's a DP, man? What's a DP? I don't even know. No, don't tell me what a DP is, guys, please. Don't worry, Flat Earth Bros. We still love you, even though you're wrong. It's true, man. You can be a bro, even if you're not all there. It's all right. You still got to love your brothers, man. Still got to love your brothers. There he is. Get it, man. We knew it. 8 Ball exposed it, dude. No. Bro has 6-0 past sextillion. What number is that? Wait. Is it octillion? I don't know. You get sextillion, and then I think you got septillion. Does octillion come with another 6 zeros on there? Or would that be... Okay, Dark Bro, is that 9? Would that be the 9 one then? With 6 full zeros? Because you'd move past it, I guess, a little bit there. Is that what it is? Undecillions? I don't even know if that... Like, did he make that up? I have no idea. It's only saying most likely. Because you make videos every single day. It's true. However, we know that the 8 Ball doesn't watch my videos. The 8 Ball knows that I make like 2 Shiba Inu coin videos a day. Way too many, but that's what people want to watch. The 8 Ball knows that I make the content, but they don't watch the videos like everybody else. Because if they did, would I really kind of give myself that hard of a time? If I was Satoshi, would I give myself that hard of a time? I would say maybe, yeah. Maybe, if I wanted to keep my identity concealed. But at the same time, could it be counterproductive? I don't know, man. This psychology stuff's way too deep, guys. Have to go see bro, see a click. Claudio, até mais, mano. Aproveite seu dia. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. Claudio, gonna go find the first cactus on the moon and get pricked by it. Kombu, let's get started. No, it's real. Something is. When do you think the Shib Associate will start? Oh, man. Dominic, I think whenever they know them, okay? I really don't know what all it takes to develop a layer 1 blockchain. So I would say whenever they know him. The guy from Shib, he's always pretty transparent with his stuff. He's got a Twitter account, man, where they tweet every single day. So I think as more details become available, they'll release them. I just don't know how long it takes to build a layer 1 blockchain, man. There's also Duodecillion, Tridecillion, and Centillion. I'm with Gorilla. Over 9,000. My power level's over 9,000. Yeah, that's what it is. Guys, it's 5 o'clock. Get your power level up to 9,000 and get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs, and we will be back with videos tonight. Guys, watch them, because I'm telling you right now, video views are low. Also, make sure YouTube didn't unsubscribe you from channels. I lost 100 subscribers today, and it's like flabbergasting my mind why YouTube would rip 100 subscribers. So just make sure you weren't one of them. They dropped off there. I don't know why they got to do this crap every once in a while. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that if you are subscribed, you actually are subscribed. We'll do the shout-outs, guys, and we'll be back tonight with videos. Bronson, man, congratulations once again. Appreciate you for sharing that trade today. 100% perfection. Dark Bro, Claudio. We get Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Dominic, man. Enjoy it. Claudio, Dark Bro. Gorilla Invictus. Next level, man. Tony D. Peace out, Tony D. PS5, dude. Congratulations on the Caspa trade as well. Absolutely phenomenal, man. Dark Bro, enjoy your day, dude. Gorilla, Dark Bro, see you later, man. Peace out to everybody. Bronson, see you later. Dark Bro, Aiden, thanks again, man, for being in here. Dark Bro, cancel Susan, yeah. Kombu, it's only 2 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. And that somewhere is here, Kombu. Geopad later, bro. Roulette wheel, enjoy it. Scammers and duplicate K-Bros. And nobody likes those Clay-Bro scammers. Bronson, enjoy your day, man. Peace out. Forgot my cup. Wrath Wizard, enjoy it. All of you guys, you know what time it is. 775 Breed Guy. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, Johnsontown, Dark Soul. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day, Peter.